A moment worth capturing when these legends come together on the same platform. A perfect way to kick off the auction. The first item to go under the hammer was the ICC World Cup 2011 final match ball with an opening bid of 5 lakh rupees.
At 5 lakhs I have bid with me, I have 550, I have 6 lakhs still with me. At 6 lakh 50,000, I have 7, 750, I have 8. At 8 lakhs, 850, 9, 950, 10, 11, 12. At 12. 13, I have 14. 15, 16. 17, 18. At 18, 19, 20. At 20 lakhs, still my bid. 22, I have 24. Any more at 24 lakhs, still with the absent bidder at 24 lakhs. 26, I have 28. 30, I have 32. 35, 38. At 38 lakhs. And we will sell for 38 lakhs. Sold for 38 lakhs. Milkha Singh, running spikes from the 1960 Rome Olympics. Can we open with a bid of 5 lakhs, please? Do I have 5 lakhs anywhere? Okay, I have a bid of 5 with me at 5 lakhs. Absentee bid at 5, 550, I have 6 lakhs. 650, I have 7. 750, I have 8. 850, I have 9 against you. 950, I have 10. 11 is in the room. 12. At 12 lakhs up front, 13 in a new place. At 13 lakhs, 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19, thank you. At 19 lakhs, 20, thank you. 22. 24, thank you. At 24 lakhs, all done. And selling at 24 lakhs. Sold for 24 lakhs. Back to cricket. And we have Sachin Tendulkar's bat. Can we open at 5 lakhs, please? Do I have 5 lakhs anywhere? At 5 lakhs, I have 550. At 550 with the gentleman, 6 lakhs up front. 650. Ladies bid at 650, 7 lakhs on my left. 750. 8. 850. 9 lakhs. Thank you, madam. 950. 10 lakhs. Thank you, sir. At 10. 11. Thank you. And selling for you, sir, up front at 11 lakhs. Sold for you. Thank you very much. Autograph football. Lionel Messi. I can start at 1 lakh with my bidder who couldn't be here, so I have 1 with me. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 220, 240, 260, 283, 320, 350, 380. I've got 5, you can have 550. 550, I've got 6. 650, I've got 7. 750, I have 8. 850, 9. 950, 10. 11 is yours. I'm out. 11 lakhs in the center of the room. Gentleman's bid at 11 lakhs. All done at 11. Any more? And we'll sell for you at 11 lakhs. Thank you all very much for 11 lakhs. Thank you all very, very much. I know it's late. Thank you for all your support and your participation. And I think you should announce the final amount. I don't know it.
We've got the final figures. Today, the foundation was donated 1.96 crores, just short of 2 crores. Thank you very much.
We're with Rahul Bose after a very successful second edition of this auction. How interesting was this in comparison to the previous one?
I think it was really interesting because there were many more bidders than I've seen than it was in the last auction, and there were a lot of people who knew what this event was about. So there were some new people and some people who knew, and I could see that the new ones were adding a new energy into the room, and the old ones were practiced hands at the whole thing. I think India really opened its heart and showed not only just its great taste in sport, but also its compassion.
All right, and speaking about Milkha Singh's shoes, you were raving about it even before in the lead up to the auction. Little excited by the way it went, though you probably would have expected it to earn a little more.
As the founder of the foundation, I would be happy with 5 rupees. But as a sports person, I would have paid more for that. That's what I mean.
Going by the kind of pieces that you had this time, Rahul, it was varied. You said it yourself. You had Formula One stuff. You had a lot of football. Lionel Messi also costing quite a bit, going for quite a bit. In that sense, it was a very, very, a successful auction in the sense of the items that it presented.
Yes, I think we pride ourselves on being not just an auction geared to making money, but an auction geared to show the glorious array of sport. You need to actually show that as a cross-sport auction, you've got soccer, you've got badminton, you've got wrestling, you've got boxing, you've got everything.
We'll leave it at that note. It's great. Congratulations, Rahul. It's been a great auction, and all the best for the coming years as well.
Thanks for your support. It's fantastic.
We got the Baichung Bhutia's farewell jersey, which is great because he's one of the best Indian football players ever. So
I got the Ferrari gloves, and it was amazing because when I saw the list, I said I want the gloves.
I was one of the fortunate enough to get the spikes of Mr. Milkha Singh, the greatest sportsman India has ever seen.